PS and senior staff, and all members of the staff, the various ministries and departments that come under our portfolios. Thank you very much for this afternoon and the informal, well, it was formal ceremonies of welcome. We acknowledge the honor, and we thank you very much. The Assistant Minister in the Prime Minister's office has highlighted the manifesto and the harmonizing of those. I would like to say to you that during the swearing in Parliament and in Government House or State House, there was no mention of the manifesto. We're here to serve Fiji. We're here to serve everyone in Fiji. We will be guided by what we promised the people, what made them vote for us. When they said change, change from what to what. And perhaps they saw some differences in the policies of the then government and what we promised to give them. That is why we would like our manifesto to be woven in to the policies that we will be proposing and implementing in the 4 years that we are in government for. But I'd like to stress the fact that we will be serving the people and the nation of Fiji. And I call on you to cooperate with us, and I'm sure you will very easily do that, because you have done that for the last 8 years since we've had an elected government, and I'm sure, I'm not worried. I know you will continue to do your work as honorable, not members of the House, but honorable civil servants who have vowed to spend your time and your energy serving the people of Fiji. We say that we are, I tell my colleagues in the party, once you get into Parliament, you stop being a member of the party. You become vote Dei, vote Populi. Vote Dei, voice of God to the people. Vote Populi, voice of the people, to people and to God. And that's what we commit ourselves to be doing as we perform as members of the government in Parliament and in Cabinet and as assistant ministers. And we call on you to help us. I'm sure you will. You have done so. You have committed yourself to work for the people when you entered the civil service. We stopped being politicians when we were declared members of the House. We have become servants of the people, just as you have always been. So together, I believe we can work together to serve the people, and with our hands on our heart, we can tell God, I'm here to serve the people, please help me. And you tell one another, we're here to serve the people, and you tell us, we're here to serve the people, so help me God. Thank you very much for the ceremonies of welcome.